go ride to Chick-fil-A. And yeah. Man, this GoPro and all the stuff is heavy. Not gonna lie. Okay, I'll start filming whenever he gets here.
I'm blocking the pit bikers today.
There you go.
So like the mic and you and everything. I took off my fucking what's it called thing for like 2 seconds to charge it. But that's why I don't have it on today.
Ah, yeah. Yeah, with the GoPro and this makes the helmet a little heavy.
I bet.
Yeah.
Is that GoPro even heavy though?
It's a little bit, especially with the case, and also just strapped on the mic adapter thing.
Yeah,
Somewhere, is it hanging? Oh no, it's up here, okay. Yeah. I was like, I don't feel it.
I gotta get gas too.
Okay.
So maybe just stop at that gas station right there and then.
Yeah.
Or we can do it on the way back, whatever you feel more comfortable with.
I don't care.
I don't want the cop to pull up with me while we're coming back.
I don't care, man. We can stop there at that corner.
Let's just wait for this car to go out there for them to open. Let's fucking go. Chick-fil-A run. We're back with another great video from our great editor. And like, give him a follow. Hopefully that's recording.
It is. I don't know if they can hear you though.
Okay guys, we're back with another video. After 1 this morning, our neighbor Cheers. Guess what he wakes up. Oh, I got a new pipe.
A new muffler? Yeah. Pipe? Okay.
Looks cool. That's it. For the vlog.
Yeah.
With a hat strap.
Yeah, so I have a little compartment under there and keep tools and shit. That's why that strap is there. I did. I think they took a left. They're probably going to the drag strip tonight.
Oh yeah, it's Friday. Dude, so like I was gonna sell my bike, and so I posted on Facebook Marketplace for like a ridiculous price. And a fucking dude like was like, dude, okay, I'll take it. And the only way I was gonna like actually sell it, was unless Kate could sell the BMW. But since he's 17, it's still like under his dad or whatever. And his dad basically said he could sell it like, after summer because he wouldn't have a car. And
Yeah.
His dad would have to take him to school.
Okay.
But his dad was like, you can sell it during summertime. And so I just told that guy I got a better day. Like this guy wants to trade, and I'm just gonna trade instead of sea catcher. I'm just gonna try to but so his dad basically said not until summer. So we'll see what happens then.
Yeah.
And then plus like I would miss this thing a lot. And then the other thing is though is like then I'd have to be paying like bike insurance is so much cheaper than car insurance. So
It is. Is your dad paying insurance for the Jeep or you?
I do.
Okay.
But like I started paying it last month. Cause we legit got the title, like the lien switch to my name.
Yeah.
So, but I have like the cheapest deduct, like I have basically like the cheapest everything.
Oh, there he is. Being pulled by Porsche. But not Porsche. What is that?
It's like, I think it's like a GT2 or GT3 it is. But I have the cheapest insurance for the Jeep, and it's $259 a month.
Damn.
That Civic is low as fuck. Nice Civic.
Nice cock. Oh, dude, I'm a little worried about the tires that I just bought.
Yeah, anyway, I was looking at they're wild.
Yeah, they are. The front tire looks like it'll fit the back. And the front on this, I mean, it looks like with the little knobbies on the side, it may just skirt the little strips here, but you really have no room until up here. So we'll see how that goes. So my bike starts, battery's dead. Oh yeah, the light. Oh, it's green now. I know, it sucks.
Gas cap though?
What?
Gas?
Yeah, new.
Really sick.
Yep. I also have spoke covers, blue as well.
Man.
They came in today.
You're getting all the goodies.
What?
So you're getting all the goodies.
Oh yeah.
Does that mirror even work?
Not really.
I took that off.
Yeah, it's for legal reasons.
You gotta find you a fake plate.
I tried to make one. My mom found it on the printer.
That'd be sick.
Yeah. You can even just have a name. It doesn't even have to be actual numbers.
I know you gotta just keep you from a lot of attention at least.
Yeah. Some cop sees you just immediately, he'll see if you have a plate and hopefully he'll let you go. Cops down here are pretty nice. It's a lot faster though. It just sucks getting up to speed on this thing.
Yeah. Sometimes I get this to pop.
Yeah.
Well, you got your ears.
So what?
I said you got your, what's it called? Necessarily don't need that.
Hey babe. Busy?
No.
Doesn't seem that busy. Stay safe.
Ask him if he wants to rev it. You want to rev it?
I heard some noise. I was like, what is that?
I know. I thought it was rocks or something.
Yeah. I can't redline. I'm gonna go the back way home, so I don't get soaking wet. Yeah. See you later, man.
See you.
Yes, sir. You too.